The highest part of the park is considered to be the leap of faith on our boardwalk. In 2015, a group of family and friends decided to dedicate that portion of the park to Lindsay Bates Motley and her battle with cancer. In contemplating what we wanted there, we wanted something, as we do in all of the park, to be true to the space. It's been known and said many times that a cardinal is the sighting of one is when you see somebody from heaven. And Lindsay having a child during her cancer journey, my granddaughter Lilla, we thought it would be nice to have some sort of symbolism of Lindsay letting Lilla know and the rest of the world that a leap of faith is how we should address life. So the piece is of a cardinal looking down at a nest with a baby cardinal taking its first leap of faith.
This sculpture, Leap of Faith, started out as a clay piece. Then we came up with the idea of doing a bas-relief with branches coming up out of the relief with the birds on it. So that was created in clay, then it was taken to the foundry and bronze was made from the clay.
I think it's the best piece of art I've ever seen in my life. The wonderful part about the park is its perpetuity. So Lilla's children and Lilla's children's children will be able to come here and remember Lindsay.
We're surrounded with a great cloud of witnesses, people looking down. I don't know what that means exactly, if it's just people around us or people who have passed on before us, but I think it's encouraging to know that this is not the end. This is not the end.